Hi, I'm Cathy with Level Up RN. In this video, I will be discussing angiotensin II blockers. And at the end of the video, I'm going to give you guys a little quiz to test your understanding of some of the key facts from the video. So be sure to stay for that. And if you have our Level Up RN Pharmacology flashcards, go ahead and pull out your flashcard on angiotensin II blockers so you can follow along with me. Angiotensin II blockers, which are often referred to as ARBs, are used to treat hypertension and heart failure. This medication class is also prescribed for individuals with diabetic nephropathy to slow the progression of kidney disease. Angiotensin II blockers work by blocking a key part of the renin-angiotensin aldosterone system, or RAAS. Let's do a quick review on how this system works. First, renin is released by the kidneys in response to a decrease in renal blood flow, indicating low blood pressure. Next, renin activates angiotensinogen into angiotensin I. After that, ACE, which stands for angiotensin converting enzyme, converts angiotensin I into angiotensin II. And angiotensin II does a number of things. It causes vasoconstriction of the blood vessels, it causes water and sodium to be reabsorbed at the kidneys, and it causes the release of aldosterone from the adrenal cortex. This in turn causes more water and sodium to be reabsorbed and potassium to be excreted at the kidneys. So the ultimate effect of RAAS is to increase the blood pressure through vasoconstriction and the retention of water and sodium. As the name implies, angiotensin II blockers block the action of angiotensin II. This prevents the vasoconstriction of blood vessels, the reabsorption of water and sodium at the kidneys, and the release of aldosterone from the adrenal cortex. And by preventing all of these things, this results in vasodilation and the excretion of sodium and water, which brings down the blood pressure. Angiotensin II blockers include medications such as Losartan, Valsartan, and other medications that end in sartan. Just like all other antihypertensive medications, a key side effect of angiotensin II blockers is hypotension. Our cool chicken hint to help you remember this drug class and its effect on blood pressure is to think about the fact that sartan kind of looks like Satan, and if you saw Satan, it would make your blood pressure drop. Other side effects include dizziness, fatigue, gastrointestinal upset, such as nausea and vomiting, and a cough. But it's important to note that this drug class is much less likely to cause a cough than ACE inhibitors. Another potential side effect is hyperkalemia. The reason we have hyperkalemia is that normally with RAAS, the release of aldosterone causes the excretion of potassium. But since we are blocking the effects of RAAS, this leads to the retention of potassium instead. It's also important to note that this drug class has a black box warning for fetal toxicity. Therefore, medications in this drug class are contraindicated during pregnancy. In terms of nursing care, we need to monitor our patients' blood pressure throughout therapy. We should also check their potassium levels periodically due to the risk for hyperkalemia. And because of the risk of hypotension, we should advise our patient to change positions slowly. All right, it's quiz time, and I have 3 questions for you. Question number 1. Angiotensin II blockers cause which of the following? Select all that apply. A, vasodilation. B, vasoconstriction. C, excretion of potassium. D, retention of potassium. And E, excretion of sodium. The answers are A, D, and E. Question number 2. Which of the following are common side effects of angiotensin II blockers? Select all that apply. A, hypertension. B, hypotension. C, diarrhea. And D, fatigue. The answers are B, C, and D. And question number 3. Why is Losartan contraindicated during pregnancy? The answer is due to the risk for fetal toxicity. All right, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, be sure to hit that like button. Take care, and thank you so much for watching. We invite you to subscribe to our channel and share a link with your classmates and friends in nursing school. And if you found value in this video, be sure to hit that like button and let us know what you found to be particularly helpful.